Hi guys, how are you? So today we have Play with by Sephora. No, Play with Sephora. Play by Sephora. This is April 2018 and yes, so let's get started. This one is a $10 a month box that I get, and it's not bad. It's just sample products of things, and it comes with like a little bonus 50 points that if anybody needs, I will gladly give to them because I don't use them. And then all the products are inside, and I'm gonna save that for later. Well, let's move into the little box, well, bag. So it says, make it snappy. Make it snappy. I just don't like these bags. I know somebody commented that they wanted the bags. I commented back that I would gladly give some of the bags away, but I never heard back. So if you do want some bags, I mean, I'm planning on doing a giveaway when I get to 100 subscribers, which seems like it's never gonna happen. I always get like 61, 62, and then it goes back to 58, and it's like going like there. But I have so many things to give you guys, so when I do reach 100, we're gonna have maybe more than one giveaway to do because I have a ton of things to give away. So let's start. So I stick my hand in here, and the first thing that comes out is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Philosophy: purity is finding balance and embracing our true selves. This one is an ultra light moisturizer with vitamins and antioxidants and natural oil. That's awesome because you can use this as a primer before makeup, and it's just hydrating. I do have a couple, and then I use it and then I throw away, you know. Does it smell like anything? It smells good. Is it this or my perfume? Let me put it on my other hand just in case. It smells like really very light, very light, like non-existent. Now it's just like diffuminating into the rest of my hand. It's a really small sample. It's 7 milliliters, as you can see. Let me show you there. And that's the first sample. Usually comes with like 6 samples, I think. 5 samples and 1 perfume. And here's the perfume. Elizabeth and James Nirvana Vanilla Bourbon. Let's smell this. Oh, yay. It has like a little spritzer, which I like. I don't want to put it if I have another perfume, but I'm safe. It has like a vanilla taste. I mean, taste, smell. It's not my cup of tea, but oh, and it's created by Ashley Olson and Mary Kate Olson. Oh, it smells like weird. I don't know. I don't like it. Maybe because it has like a vanilla taste. What does it say on the back? Doesn't say anything. Maybe I'm gonna read more about it. Maybe it has like a vanilla or something. The next thing that we have is Ultra HD Protector Blurry Skin Tint with Sunscreen. The broad spectrum SPF 20. Created for the very latest high definition technology of film and TV industry, Ultra HD advanced format look invisible on 4K camera and to the naked eye. Let's try this on my hand. I'm curious. Oh, it's tinted. So it comes like that. Just a small sample. Oh. So let's see. Yeah, you can only tell that it's shiny only where I put it. It's kind of funny. That's the only thing that I can notice. But the color actually goes really nice into the skin. Maybe it might be even my color. It has sunscreen, so that's good. Just low sunscreen. It's not like you can stay out there in the sun all day. The fourth thing that I have is Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. curious to see how this is. Oh, I mean, I'm not too much into this color. It's called SPL, the shade you're holding. But they have a ton of shades, and the shade that I got is this one. Let's see if I can take it out. It's a little sample. It's minty. It's not bad. I mean, you can put it on top of other colors. Just makes it like a little bit like has a shimmer. So shiny cushiony color. This is a holy grail of glosses or ultra shiny formula. It lies on cushiony soft and provides a lot of cushion. Long-lasting wear that's comfortable, not tacky. Laced with vitamin E, peppermint oil, or hydrating formula, nourishes, has plumping effect, and comes in yummy vanilla mint flavor. It's good. So that's one thing. I mean, I've been using different moisturizers. Then the fifth thing says Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with hyaluronic acid and 12.5 vitamin C. This is the thing. This one is 5 milliliters. Let's see this one. I guess this is for like the whole face. It says concentrated, made in USA. I'm gonna read more about that one, and I think there's something else. Yeah, this thing. Fight wrinkles while you sleep. Ferulic and retinol wrinkle recovery peel. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, so wake up and feel better. It's 2 of these things. I think it's 2 of them. I guess you put them on and you wait to peel with clinical dose retinol for professional results at home. To use for optimal results, use 2 to 3 times a week in PM. Truly massage treatment pad onto clean dry skin. If slight sensitive occur, reduce frequency of use, skin adjust. Use sunscreen during the day. Use only as directed. If pregnant, consult your physician. Avoid contact with your eyes. Sunburn alert. Blah 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 blah. So that's nice. 2 of them. So we had extra things this month. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, it's 6 things. Where am I counting? Am I counting correctly today? Yeah, so 6 things we got. So I'm okay with this box. It's for $10. I'm trying a lot of new things. That's what I think. So let's see. Let's read something about it. Quick cover, Makeup Forever Ultra HD Protector in shade 8. So this is in shade 8. Not bad. This is a weightless skin tint that blurs imperfections and protects skin. Why is it picture perfect? This innovative skin tint lies in a beautiful middle ground between BB cream and foundation. It blurs imperfection, moisturizes skin, and contains SPF 25 and provides just enough tint for sheer to medium coverage. How to use? For sheer coverage, use fingertips to blend in dime size amount into clean dry skin. For more coverage, use foundation brush to build up the desired coverage. Nice. Moisture on the move. We have the Philosophy. This one says an ultra light face cream packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils to leave a lasting glow. Why is it picture perfect? This is lightweight lotion, features a blend of meadow foam, seed, chia seed, and olive oils to soothe skin texture. Plus, this formula is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, E, B5 to protect and hydrate and smooth skin. How to use? Use fingertips to massage and dime size amount into clean, dry skin in the morning and at night. Then we have this 2, A Rush of Radiance, Dr. Dennis Gross, Ferulic and Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Peel, a clinical strength peel with a high dose of retinol to fight signs of aging. Why is this picture perfect? This facial peel, convenient packed as a wipe, contains a blend of antioxidants, acid, and retinol to protect and hydrate. It delivers brighter, firmer, and more radiant skin even after just 1 use. How to use: after cleansing at night, thoroughly massage treatment pad over dry skin and allow to dry. Follow with moisturizer and don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Cool to know. Then we have Sudden Sparkle, which is this one by Urban Decay. It's an on-trend in this iridescent lip gloss that visually plumps while it moisturizes. I like that. How to use: we know how to use it. You can put it on top of stuff or of another lip color. Then we have Right Away. We have the Dr. Kiehl's, which I was kind of like thinking of this. A fan favorite anti-wrinkle treatment full of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Why is this picture perfect? This powerful serum with a new improved formula is well loved for its ability to improve skin texture and tone while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidant-rich formula leaves skin moisturized, renew, and radiant. Massage bead-sized amount into clean, dry skin before applying eye cream and moisturizer in the morning and at night. A slight warning sensation is normal. And then we have this perfume that I don't know if I like. It says it's intoxicating scents, blends vanilla, bourbon with oak wood and tuberose, transporting you to cozy couch in front of the crackle fireplace. I just don't smell that. Ashley Olsen and Mary Kay Olsen created this signature Nirvana collection to represent the duality of brand namesake as well as their own partnership. Each fragrance adds a modern twist to classic notes to form a unique sense of new nostalgia. It has warm and spicy, vanilla, bourbon, tuberose, and oak wood. I feel all of those are there. I just don't like it. But if you got the same thing or you got an alternation, please leave a comment below. If you like this box, give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. I will see you guys later. Bye.